Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Online Marketing with Nancy. In today's world, if you want to promote anything or to be seen online, the most important thing you need to do is have the right content. Either you have to create it or either you have to find the examples so that it helps you to set up the right content in order to sell or market the product, whatever you are trying to do. So just imagine if you can leverage other people's content as your own and can start earning good money from that. The next product I'm promoting today is Cached. Yes, this product is somewhat related to what I'm trying to say right now. This product is by Glenn Kosky. As we all know, Glenn Kosky's products are always of A1 category. He tries to bring every time unique products. This time he has tried to do the same thing. So what is Cached in a nutshell? So it's the only software that lets you grow your list while generating multiple income streams in any niche using other people's video and authority. You can actually turn stunning content made by others into personal gain. Any YouTube video with an embed code is yours to freely share in your monetized sites, and it's one click simple to do. Cached is a cloud-based app that creates 100% done for you courses, memberships, style sites using other people's content videos that can legally monetize for leads, sales, and commissions. This clever app sets you up with multiple profit factories, each consisting of a lead generation page and monetized website. The monetized website is essentially a membership style website which is filled with videos from any YouTube channel or playlist. Use this site, sell affiliate products, promote any offer of your choice, and even your own mini e-com store hooked up for added sales. The software finds you awesome video content to put on your site which is monetized with customizable offers and products. So this is in a nutshell what Cached is all about. I will obviously take you to the members area and show you how it works effectively for you. Of course, I have my amazing bonus package completely free of cost if you wish to pick up this product from my link which is in the description below. So once you have done the purchase, these exclusive customized bonuses which I have created will be absolutely yours, free of cost. So let's get started with a Cached review video. So this is the sales page of Cached. You can see in just 60 seconds, copy our Cached, a system that makes us $1,000 per day. It's 100% done for you system with free buy traffic built in. You don't need any tech skills, no experience, better users getting fast results, works on all devices, private members community, and you get 6 months money back guarantee, guys. You have 6 months to go with this product and decide whether it is profitable for you or not. There are some income screenshots of the beta testers who have earned a pretty much good amount in the past few months. You can see right over here on the sales page. You will get some testimonials as well. The bonuses are included on the sales page. Visit on your own time. So this product by Glenn Kosky, he used to be a normal 9 to 5 job person. He used to work like that, but as soon as he started doing this online marketing, he's a super affiliate now. He is 8-figure super affiliate. He makes 8-figure every month. His products are pretty much great. As I said earlier, I always promote or review the A quality product. You will not see any product on my channel other than A quality one. So this product is quite very interesting and unique, and it will definitely help you to monetize quickly. So this is all about the sales page. Let's quickly jump into the members area now and see what it is like. Right here you can see the members area of Cached, where on the dashboard you can see the training videos. You have a welcome video on dashboard. Then if you go to tutorials, so you get a support and resources what you need to support this product. So you get an overview video. You will be integrating your autoresponder, which is GetResponse if you have one. So how it can be done, everything is been explained. Then if you are taking, so in the front end you will be getting done for you campaigns. So how you actually need to set it up, there's a video explained properly. Then how to create one campaign, a video based on that, public and share. Once the campaign has been created, how to publish it and share so that you can get traffic towards it, and what are the different kind of upgrades. So sign up for following affiliate programs. Remember, you can also get the bonus if you make a deposit. So they are asking you to sign up these platforms, which is Joinbase, BlockFi, and Binance. So once you do a sign up with their affiliate program, there also you can make good money by promoting these platforms and also referring this to your friend. If they do the trading through your link, you get the commission, which depends, can be 20% and 40% on various platforms. So this is what you can do through these platforms. Then traffic strategies, so you have a video. In this video you have to set up a page using Super Affiliate Builder, as well as discussion on the strategies and what else is essential for success. Bonus builder page. Then below you will find a series of training video teaching you traffic strategies that will work. There are mixtures of free and paid strategies. We recommend that you watch them all to learn. So traffic strategies, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. And what are the traffic sources you need. More videos on YouTube, you can go to their YouTube account. And there is some kind of investment when you do on Bitcoin. You get a $10 worth of Bitcoin if someone sign up through your link. So this is all about the overview of this members area. If you go to campaigns, so you get affiliate marketing campaign. You can view it. I will show you one as an example. So it depends on what kind of niche you are targeting. So this one is based on affiliate marketing. This one is on blogging, then side hustles. If I'll click on create new, so I'm not going to do it step by step. I'm just giving you the overview right here. So create campaign goes with a campaign title. Then you will give the name, then campaign description. You will choose the theme color, the text color. You will choose the banner, then registration headline. You can add your affiliate link right over here. You can also, so from here you will get various types of videos depending on what you are selecting. As you can see, it's a quite a detailed campaign you can create right over here with your banner, your video you are choosing. Then you get a side panel as well. So it's a quite effective campaign you can create over here with a Cached app. Page content, this is where you will get a video URL description in the content section. So products are Bitcoin, earn interest on BlockFi, then trade on Binance, wealthy affiliate, then levels. So these are all the products which you can choose to promote. You have a done for you campaign, free traffic. So each and everything I showed you earlier has been explained. So this is in short the members area of Cached. It's a software for you. Now I will quickly take you to the price of this product and of course my amazing bonuses without me wasting much of the time. Front end of Cached is $17, access powerful Cached software and training modules. Upsell 1 is unlimited version, $67. Upsell 2 is 100% done for you, $97. Upsell 3 unlimited traffic, $97. Upsell 4 automation, $67, upsell 5 ATM, $197, upsell 6 Ultimate, $197, upsell 7 license rights, $67. Now license right means you can sell this product as your own as it is and keep the commission which you will be getting after selling this product 100% for yourself throughout the funnel. So that's all about the upsells, the upgrades you can do. You will get to know in more detail about this upgrade in the members area itself. If you wanted, if you can go with the front end first. Upgrade is always optional. So if you feel like upgrading, you will get to know what features you are getting in each one of them. Then coming to my bonuses, the first one you are getting is access to Insurgency. Now Insurgency is the product by Jonah Armstrong. So it's a full fledged course based on Facebook ads. So Jonah Armstrong created this product along with Rashwin. He is also Ministry of Freedom member. He is expert in Facebook ads. So you are going to get expert tips, advice through this product. It's a full course, as I said earlier. Which will tell you how you can use Facebook medium effectively, how you can get full organic traffic or even paid traffic through Facebook. The other one is learn how to get better conversion. So we are doing all this hard work every day, creating videos, creating content, uploading it on social media, different platforms, but we don't know how to actually convert it into money, how to actually get commissions effectively, how to get the whole cycle work out for us. So you will learn those hacks and tricks through this course. You will learn how to get better conversion. The other one is Access Online Entrepreneur. So if you are already looking out for these products, that means you are doing some kind of online marketing. Does not mean that it is affiliate marketing. It can be any niche you are targeting right now, any kind of traffic you're targeting right now, but to be expert in any kind of business, you need to know the A to Z. So this is going to help you with that. It's a wonderful course which I have gone through. It's everything is in detail. You will learn everything about online marketing. The other one is you are getting access to JavaScript Commission Bot. Now this is two-part software, effectively business in a box for you, traffic, and offers master of making money online. It has traffic element where you get free targeted traffic on autopilot from Twitter and Instagram. It sends out traffic to a done for you campaign, which is by Jonah Armstrong. You don't need to do anything like make videos, website, buy traffic, generate traffic, and so on. So it's everything in one product, and it is done for you. You will get a free targeted traffic already generated for you, and you will be directing it towards the already done for you offers campaigns. You just need to take your affiliate links and paste it and wait, sit back and see the commissions, the money coming in. So this is about that. Then vendor bonuses. So this is how my bonus page look like. If you will click on this link over here, it will direct you to the sales page. Once you buy this product, you are going to get a Warrior Plus receipt looking like this. Click on this blue button, fill in your email address. You will get access to all these bonuses. Click on any of these yellow button and these bonuses will be yours. These bonuses are time sensitive. You can see right over here. I'll be very glad if you'll be able to grab all these bonuses before the time run out. So this is in short my review about Cashed, which is the only software that lets you grow your list while generating multiple income streams in any niche using other people's videos and authority. So from my side, it's a thumbs up. You can go with this product. if you are looking for further growth. And if there's any questions, you can write down in the comment section. Do visit my website for more information, which is nancygrain.com. Thank you for your time. I will really appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel before you go. Thank you.